Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain second chapter exercise 2.1 second question. Second question have 5 bits. In this question, simply they are asking in the given figures find the x value. In the given figures find the x value. How we can find? Once see here, given figure is triangle ABC and BC side is extended to D. Okay, angle BX, angle A 56, angle ACD 123 is given. Okay, very simple. By using one formula, we should find the x value. What is that means? In a triangle, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of its opposite interior angles. Okay, here this is a exterior angle, these are two interior angles. Okay, the sum of two interior opposite angles is equal to the exterior angle. Okay, so exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior angles opposite. Okay, 123, that is angle ACD 123 given, is equal to angle A 56, angle B x. Okay, now x is equals to transpose of plus 56 minus 56. So 123 minus 56 will give 67. If you do the subtraction, just to do the subtraction, if you don't know, once see, we cannot subtract 6 from this. So you can take borrow from the before number. So 13, it will becomes 13. 13 minus 6, 7. Okay, here it will becomes 11, right? It will becomes 11. 11 minus 5, 6. Okay, 67. Next, second bit. Here triangle PQR is given. We need to find out the x value. Okay, very simple. We should use the condition sum of all three interior angles, okay, is equal to the 180 degrees in a triangle. Yes or no? Sum of three angles of a triangle 180 degrees. So angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Now individual angles given. No? For angle phi 45 plus angle q 3x plus 16, angle q, instead of angle q we should take 3x plus 16 plus angle r 68 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. 3x plus c, here 3x as it is. Now these numbers you should add. Okay, 45 plus 16 plus 68, if you add you will get 129. How it will be? Once check it, numbers you have to add it. Okay, now 14 plus 5 19. Okay, now 7 8 8 plus 4 12, 129 you will get is equal to 180. 3x is equal to 180. Transpose of plus 129 minus 129, if you do the subtraction you will get 51. Okay, 180 minus 129 you will get 51. Now 3x is equal to 51. X is equal to transpose of multiplication will give division. So 51 by 3. 3 1s are 3 17s are. So x is equal to 17 you will get. Okay, next bit. Next bit, see, angle A plus see, angle ABC is given. We need to find out the x value. How we can? Same formula. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. So 25 angle A, angle B, x, angle C 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now x is equals to, first you should add these two values. So we'll get 55. X plus 55 is equals to 180. X is equal to 180 transpose of my plus 55 minus 55. Okay, x is equals to 180 minus 55, 125. Okay, x is 125. Now fourth bit, triangle XYZ is given. In this triangle two sides are equal. Okay, so parallel, equal in this xy and xz, these two sides are equal. So we can call this is a isosceles triangle. Why? Because two sides are equal in a triangle. So angle y is equal to angle z. Okay, so if these two sides are equal, then that opposite angles of that two sides angles equal. So angle y is equal to angle z. So angle y 2x plus 7 is equal to angle z 45. Okay, now 2x transpose of plus 7 will becomes minus 7. 2x is equals to 38. 45 minus 7, 38 will come. So x is equal to 38 divided by 2. Transpose of multiplication will gives division. Now do the division. If 19 you will get. How to do? very simple, just 2 ones are 2, 1 is the remainder, carry down 8, 18, 2 nines are 18. Okay, like this we can do, you will get x value. Next, see here, fifth bit, triangle A, B, O and C, O, D. Two triangles are given. In this BOA triangle, these two sides are equal. In this COD triangle, these two sides are equal. Okay, from BOA, from up triangle, AB is equal to C. From up triangle, AB is equal to AO. These two sides are equal, no? So angle B is equal to angle O. Angle B is equal to angle O. Why? Because same equal sides, no? Equal sides, opposite angles are equal. So 3x plus 10 is 10. You can take. Okay. Let us say equation 1. Triangle BOA, from that OC is equal to CD. Okay. OC is equal to CD. These two sides are equal. Actually, this is a triangle, not BOA. This is the COD. Okay. COD triangle. CO is equal to CD. Okay. Now angle O is equal to angle D. Angle O is equal to angle. These two angles are equal. Okay. Now let us say equation 2. Why we are taking these two means the angle which are opposite to the equal sides are equal. Okay. Now from equation 1 and 2, BOA is equal to angle COD. Now why we are taking vertically opposite angles are equal, no? Okay. Now see, this vertically opposite, this angle and this angle, these two are vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. Now but angle COD is equal to 90 minus x. See, angle COD, this angle 90 minus x, how it will come? Well, that reason also I wrote here. See, sum of three angles in a triangle, COD triangle. In triangle COD, sum of three angles in a triangle 180. So angle 2x and angle O, see here, this is 2x and this is angle O, this is angle D. That sum I took here is equal to 180, but angle O is equal to angle D. So wherever angle D is there, you can write angle O. Okay, 2x plus angle O as it is. Angle D instead of angle O you should write, which is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, 2x plus angle O, 2 into angle O is equal to 180. 2 into angle O, transpose of plus 2x will becomes minus 2x. Angle O is equal to transpose of multiplication will gives division. Angle O is equal to, separate I am taking, 180 by 2 minus 2x by 2. Okay, 2 will gets cancelled here. Here 180 by 2 means 90. Okay. So angle O is equal to 90 minus x. That's what this, how I should take this 90 minus x. This is the reason. Okay. From angle BOA is equal to angle COD. Now you should equate these two angles. Vertically opposite angles equal, no? So angle BOA 3x plus 10 is equal to angle COD 90 minus x. We should equate these two. Okay. Now transpose of minus x will becomes plus x. So 3x plus x is equal to 90. Transpose of plus 10 will becomes minus 10. Okay. Now 3x plus x, 4x is equal to 90 minus 10, 80. Okay. X is equals to 80 divided by 4. If you do the division, you will get 20. Okay. 4 20s are 80, no? So x is equals to 20. Like this we can find the x values from the given figures. Okay. I hope you understood. If any mistake you find, once you can give comment in comment section. Okay, thank you.